Linking your bank account to your target account can simplify your shopping experience and streamline payments. Follow these steps to connect your bank account effectively. Step 1. Log into your Target account. Visit the Target website or open the Target app and log into your account using your email and password. Step 2. Navigate to payment methods. Once logged in, go to your account settings. Look for the section labeled Payment Methods or Wallet to manage your payment options. Step 3. Add a new bank account. In the Payment Methods section, select the option to add a new payment method. Choose bank account as the type of payment you want to link. Step 4. Enter bank account details. Provide the required information for your bank account, including your account number and routing number. Make sure to double check for accuracy to avoid any issues. Step 5. Confirm and save changes. After entering your bank account details, review the information for correctness. Once confirmed, save the changes to link your bank account to your Target account. By following these steps, you can easily link your bank account to your Target account for a more convenient shopping experience.